Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about some recent bug fixes that have been made in Visp. Let's get started. If the wrong credentials are entered for the ISP's paid-up settings, an error message will now appear during the vPortal sign-up. This means that customers will see a pop-up alerting them to a possible issue with the payment processing. Adding a card to a subscriber now retrieves the correct paid-up token for multi-ISP instances. This means that ISPs with multiple brands can now easily add a card from customers with accounts in different ISP brands or locations in Visp. The Require CVV when entering credit card information option is now available in the payment gateway settings for Paid Up. This means that ISPs can now require their customers to enter their CVV when making a payment via Paid Up. Voids performed on Paid Up are now correctly processed and reflected in Visp. This means that users can now void payments made with Paid Up without worrying about their transactions not being recorded in Visp. The Quick Check feature in the Map tool now correctly displays the expanded profile when clicking the external link icon. This means that users can now easily view a site's expanded profile without having to leave the Map tool. The Add Funds button in the Send Payment settings in My Visp is now visible on mobile. Users can now add funds to their Visp account on their mobile devices. Since they are no longer used, fields for Google email and password have been removed from the Google account settings under Extensions. A more secure method for the Google Calendar integration has been added previously. Autocomplete has been disabled for the Current Password, New Password, and Confirm Password fields under User Profile settings. Autocomplete can lead to users inadvertently reusing their current password for the new and confirm password fields. The infinite loading issue in the invoice and upcoming invoice caused by floating point precision errors has been resolved. The percentage-based credit card processing fee is now displayed correctly in vPortal, instead of as a flat rate. This means that users will now be able to see the correct amount of their credit card processing fee. After updating a triggered email template, users must save the changes before the send button becomes clickable. The functionality, where tickets are automatically created when sent to the email to ticket address, has been fixed. This means that users can now see tickets automatically created when customers send an email to their email to ticket address. For example, isp@ticketing.visp.net. JSON errors have been resolved. This means users will no longer get JSON errors when sending SMS or text messages through Visp. The missing eye icon in the filtered site layer on the map page has been restored. This means that users can now see the eye icon. IRM data is now optimized, so loading inventory and site data is now faster than ever. A reversal credit memo is now correctly generated for recurring custom items set to reverse when their associated package is deleted, regardless of the user's selection in the package deletion prompt. This means that users will now be able to get a reversal credit memo for recurring custom items that are set to reverse when their associated package is deleted. Newly added tickets from the subscriber drawer now appear as inner drawers within the subscriber drawer. This means that users can now see all of their newly added tickets in one place. When opening the message subscriber drawer or mass message drawer, pagination is now displayed on the left side. This means that users can now easily navigate through their messages. The dashboard drawer header no longer appears cut off. This means that users will no longer have to scroll to see the full dashboard drawer header. Lastly, the alignment issues in the scheduling dashboard widget have been fixed. There you have it. We hope this video has been helpful in keeping you up to date on the latest bug fixes in Visp. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below.